Hi, this is Aaron for Taylor & Sons Chevrolet. Going to be doing a walk around video here for our 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500. It's a crew cab, short bed, gas model. It's got the 6.0 liter gas engine in it. I'm just going to start with the exterior here and walk around and point out anything that I would want to know about before I came up and take a look at this one. Although it's going to be pretty short in regards to that, there is not much to point out in any flaws or anything in this one. Looking at the rims and tires, everything looks really good. Here's the rear driver's side wheel well. No real chips in the paint or dings or anything like that to worry about on this one. Going down the driver's side of the vehicle, you got the running boards on there, the assist steps. These ones, the biggest thing to point out, maybe if you're going to find anything, is some very minor scuffs from like rocks being kicked up, but they're just scuffs really, hardly anything. Going down this vehicle, the front of it here on the driver's side, the rear mirror caps, all in good condition, the chrome. Going down the front driver's side quarter panel, again the front wheel wells. And the rims and tires themselves. Again, the chrome looks really good on those rims. Tires are in good condition. Chrome on the front fascia and bumper. No dings to point out really there at all. A few little bug splatters from a test drive we did. Headlights in good condition. Front grille good condition. And here's a little peek in the engine bay. And real clean there as well. Closing up the hood around, there's the ever so smallest rock chip. Didn't even make it through the paint all the way there. Again, the whole hood looks good. Glass looks good in this one. Moving around now to the passenger side. You got the front quarter panel again throwing underneath the wheel wells here. And same rim and tires all the way around. This puppy look good. There is just maybe I don't even know if you can see that in there. There's a slight discoloration there on the bumper, a little, maybe the tiniest little rust spot patch, but that might even wipe off. Same thing on these assist steps. There's just a little bit of scuffing from gravel being kicked up. That's really the only flaw I can find in this puppy. Again, the mirror caps. Going down the side of the vehicle, paint looks good all the way around. This is the passenger side rear wheel well. Again, rims and tires. That lined bed looks good. Doesn't even look like much was stored in there. It's not scuffed up or scraped or anything. And the rear tailgate and bumper. And the tow hitch. Got that line bed, like I said. That easy assist power down tailgate. Alright, going on to the interior of the vehicle. Here's the driver's side rear door. Open that up, the door panel. Looks really good. Looks pretty much brand new condition. Again, I'm going to be hard pressed to find any imperfections to point out. The carpet, floor mats, all looks really good. Leather in here. Leather looks really good. Seats, no rips or tears. Alright, moving around to the front driver's side. Again, driver's door panel. Looks really good. Got the Bose premium sound system in this one. And the gauge cluster, steering wheel, the dash in general all looks pretty much new condition, really good. Nothing to point out in the way of imperfections. Center console, got that flip-up bench seating. Again, not all scuffed up, looks pretty good. Got that 10-way adjustable power seat for comfort. Alright, moving around to the passenger side here. Again, this is the front passenger door. There is just a few little scuffs on that one to point out. Again, getting things in and out of that little storage area left just a few little minor blemishes. And the seat looks great. Again, there's the carpeting and floor mats. All looks in real good condition. And the glove box and dash from this side, and information cluster, again, as mentioned, really good looking condition. Alright, and finally the rear passenger door. And looks really good, like new. Broken record. And same rear passenger seat. Got that flip down cup holder. Well, there you have it. That's our 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 crew cab, short bed, gas model. I do thank you for your interest. This is Aaron for Taylor & Sons Chevrolet, signing off. Thanks.